welcome to the packet journey. In this video, we are going to understand what identity and access management or IAM is and why it's important in modern organizations. Let's get started. Imagine joining a new company on your first day. You receive a company email account, access to certain applications, and permissions to perform your job. But how does the organization decide what you should and shouldn't have access to? That's where IAM comes in. IAM stands for Identity and Access Management. It's the process of managing digital identities and controlling access to systems, applications, and data. Simply put, IAM helps answer two important questions: who are you and what are you allowed to access? The identity part focuses on users, employees, contractors, partners, anyone who requires access to company resources. The access part determines what those users are allowed to do. For example, an HR employee may require access to personnel systems. A finance employee may require access to accounting applications. An IT administrator may require broader permissions. IAM helps ensure users receive appropriate access based on their responsibilities. Without IAM, managing access manually becomes extremely difficult, especially in large organizations with thousands of employees. People join the company, change roles, or leave the organization, their access needs to change accordingly. IAM helps organizations improve security, simplify administration, and support compliance requirements. It's a foundational component of modern cybersecurity programs. So, in summary, IAM helps organizations manage identities and control access to resources. It ensures that the right people receive the right level of access at the right time. In the next video, we'll understand what a MAC address is and why every network device needs one to communicate within a local network. If you found this explanation useful, please like the video and consider subscribing to the Packet Journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Packet Journey.